are still here at the General Conference session of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Sulod diri sa Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center, San Antonio, Texas. Usa sa pinakagidumog nga place diri sa Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center, mao ang nagkalahi-lahi nga mga exhibits nga gipresent sa atong nagkalahi-lahi nga mga unions, organizations, universities, and other media ministries that we have here in the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Kung ikaw gusto malingaw, pwede po ka mag-wall climbing. Now here we have Sir Tobias, and he will going to tell us what is he doing here with this wall climb thing.
Advent Source is providing the rock climbing wall. They paid for it. We had a company transport it out here. Union College, the International Rescue and Relief Program, is the students that are running the rock wall. Advent Source hired us to come out here since we're trained in search and rescue, swiftwater rescue, and technical rope rescue. They wanted us to run the rock wall. So it is for free, yeah. Anyone can come. We have weight limits, but anyone's allowed to come. Kids, adults, we're more than welcome to give anyone a try.
It looks very fun, and I hope I get that energetic from me too.
Ang ingon ani nga okasyon, usap po din siya ka-tsansa nga naay reunion and fellowship ang matag 70 Adventist Christian. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You have a wonderful outfit.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, what do you do here?
Well, in Spanish. Ok, nosotros representamos a Panamá. Estamos aquí de la Unión Panameña. Este es nuestro vestido típico.
Thank you so much. What is that in English?
You're welcome. My name is Nilka Guerra.
Nakita na mo nga kadaghanan sa mga kaigsunan nanginahanglan po og check-up. Pero kini nga mong gibuhat, simple lamang. Pero tungod ini nga simple, pero makakita paghihapotag mga ilang mga kinahanglan sa ilang panglawas.
Sa sulod ni ini nga hall, ato makita ang nagkalain-laing media ministry sa Seventh-day Adventist Church ug usa niini ang Hope Channel International. Sa kasamtangan, ipahigayon ang live program ni ini nga channel. Gatherings like this will not just offer us a spiritual reformation, but it also will give us a package of fellowship, friendship, and learning from others, and of course, reaching the world.